It's sweet and yummy AF. So to my nose, this is like La Vie est Belle and Montguerlin poured into a vat of churning bubblicious bubblegum, or maybe Hubba Bubba, or Bazooka. Love the comics with that one as a kid. Or perhaps the shredded stuff from Big League Chew. Remember that? Is it still around today? Let me know. I don't know, but with this 1 or 2 sprays and I feel like a kid again. It takes me right back. It reminds me of how I would used to cram like wads of bubble gum into my mouth and chew it, with it drooling down my chin. Yes, I did that. Obviously, if you don't like sweet, cloying, cavity-causing smells or bubble gum, this won't be for you. Although I don't think it's quite as sweet as it sounds. It's not as sweet as Aquilina's pink sugar. That's pretty hard to beat. The ambroxan in here airs out the sugar to some degree. It's very literal, so you're gonna smell like bubblegum, not perfume per se. And to me, that's not a bad thing. I find this very satiating. But I am indeed more likely to wear it at home just for myself. The candied bubblegum accord does fade after only 20 minutes, and maybe even less sometimes. And then it turns into a sweet generic floral cocktail of rose predominantly. So there is there's an overlap of rose between the black bear and this guy. No pepper though. It does lead feminine, unsurprisingly, not that that matters. It's flavorful, juicy, warm, gourmand, almost chocolate-like on a couple of sniffs. It's amazing. Too bad it doesn't last though. It's unpretentious and photorealistic to me, a slightly peachy and cinnamon to chewy, carefree delight. I don't know how they got that bubblegum accord so accurate.